Welcome to Inbound tutorial on optimizing content for SEO in the inbound methodology. My name is Ronya. In this video, we'll explore the key strategies and techniques you can use to enhance your website's visibility and attract more organic traffic. So let's dive right in. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of content optimization, let's first understand the importance of SEO within the inbound methodology. Please like, share, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel as we increase our viewership with more inbound marketing content for you. Make sure to hit the notification button to get alerts when we upload new inbound marketing content. SEO in the inbound methodology. The inbound methodology focuses on attracting, engaging, and delighting your target audience. And one of the primary ways to achieve this is by making sure your content is easily discoverable on search engines like Google. Keyword research. The foundation of effective content optimization lies in thorough keyword research. Keyword research. Start by identifying the keywords and phrases your target audience is searching for. Tools like Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, and Moz Keyword Explorer can help you uncover valuable insights. Look for keywords with high search volume and relatively low competition. These are the sweet spots that can give you an edge in search rankings. On-page optimization. Once you have your target keywords, it's time to optimize your content on-page. On-page optimization. Start by incorporating your target keyword naturally into your page's title tag, meta description, and URL. This helps search engines understand the relevance of your content. Additionally, use the keywords strategically throughout the content, including headings, subheadings, and within the body text. But remember, always prioritize user experience and readability over keyword stuffing. Content creation. Creating valuable, engaging content is at the heart of the inbound methodology. Content creation. When crafting your content, aim to address your audience's pain points and provide solutions. This not only enhances the user experience but also makes your content more shareable and link-worthy. And don't forget to optimize your images by adding descriptive alt tags. This helps search engines understand the visual content of your page. Technical optimization. Beyond content creation, technical optimization plays a vital role in SEO success. Technical optimization. Ensure that your website is mobile-friendly and loads quickly. Mobile optimization is crucial as search engines prioritize mobile-first indexing. Additionally, create an XML sitemap and submit it to search engines to help them crawl and index your site effectively. Measurement and analytics. Finally, measurement and analytics are essential for evaluating the success of your SEO efforts. Measurement and analytics. Utilize tools like Google Analytics and Google Search Console to monitor your website's performance, track keyword rankings, and identify areas for improvement. Continuously analyze the data and make informed decisions to refine your SEO strategies over time. And that wraps up our video on optimizing content for SEO in the inbound methodology. By conducting thorough keyword research, implementing on-page optimizations, creating valuable content, ensuring technical excellence, and leveraging analytics, you'll be well on your way to driving more organic traffic to your website. I am Ronya with Optimarked Consulting, your premier inbound marketing authority. Like and share this video, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching until next time. Thank you for watching, and happy optimizing!